4, 5, 6.
Someone must feel like a fool tonight, knowing they let you go. Someone is wishing they'd done you right, regretting they hurt you so. Now that you're here in my loving arms, forget all your yesterdays. Someone must feel like a fool tonight for letting you slip away. When I see the moon shining in your eyes, a feeling comes over me. The warmth of your touch makes me realize just how lucky can I be. Surely he knows, and he's sorry now that he turned your love away. Someone must feel like a fool tonight, knowing you're here to stay. Someone must feel like a fool tonight for letting you slip away. Someone must feel like a fool tonight for letting you slip away.
This dance is Midnight Waltz, choreographed by Joe Thompson. It's a 48 count, 4-wall waltz. Section 1, starting with the left foot, left twinkle, twinkle with a half turn right. Section 2 is the same as section 1, left twinkle, half turn right. Section 3, left lunge, right lunge. Section 4, left lunge, cross, side, behind. Section 5, big step, drag, right, drag. Section 6, step forward on left, kick right forward over 2 counts. Turn a half left. Section 7 is the same as section 6. Step forward on left, kick forward right over 2 counts. Turn a half left. Last section, twinkle a quarter turn left and a basic back. And you start over. Now let me go over the dance with the counts. 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that's the whole dance.